how to turn off personalized ads on Twitter. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off personalized ads on Twitter. First go to Twitter and then go here and now go down and then click this one, settings and privacy, and now go down and click privacy and safety, this one, and now click this one, as preferences, click on it, and then all you need to do is just click here to turn it off. And as you see, personalized ads has been turned off, and if you want to turn it on again, just click on it. And that's how manage personalized ads on Twitter. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.